Hey, hi, I'm Martin and welcome to the 5 Minutes Friday. Today we're gonna talk about painting our ground cover. Yeah, that's what we do. So, on top of the layer we did in the last episode, we're preparing our paint for dry brushing. I just use a regular wall paint from a do-it-yourself store. And I add a little bit of paint on a wooden cutoff or something like that. You know, piece of paper. And then start dry brushing. Well, pretty easy, I think. So the next color is a little bit more light, sandish, whitish, and we mix it in with the other sand brown color and start dry brushing again. It looks quite white at the moment. So, back to the original base color. I like this black-brown color. And I add a decent amount of water in it to make a wash. Check it on a piece of paper, how translucency is. And if I like it, I add it to the entire surface. Go back to dark again. Looks funny, but you will see the end result later on. So after we let it dry for a time, we add the next color, and this is an acrylic skin tone. You know, I love skin tones. A little bit of orange, a little bit of red in it. Makes so much more warmth to the entire surface. Start dry brushing again, you know. And then we go back to the first sand color and dry brush another layer on top to tone the overall light color back. Oh, now it's time for a little bit reddish brown. It's a wash, and we cover the surface with it. Add some darker tones in it. Well, it's no rocket science. Then we add some darker browns again. Go back for it until you like it. And then cover the entire surface again with this mixture. Now we go back to another sand color and start dry brushing again. Now I know you guys all think well, this man is crazy. Yeah, taking so much effort and work. But in the end, you will see why. Well, back to wash time. I like a round brush for it and take some Van Dyke wash. I make it myself. So with this Van Dyke brown, we cover all the shadow sides of it. And then we come back and take a green tone. Yeah, also a homemade brew. I will explain it in another video. And we go back over the dried shadow sides where we added the Van Dyke brown before. But dab also a little bit on the surface here and there, you know. The more randomness you have, the more natural it looks. A little bit of Van Dyke brown again, dabbed in between, and after that just take a big brush and go over it, back and forth, And that's it. Pretty easy, isn't it? Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And thank you for watching. Until the next time.